Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector. Turn on or off. First, press and hold the power button to turn it on. Enter the gas detection interface and start the machine. Click the on-screen menu icon to enter the system menu. Click the shutdown icon. Enter and exit for 1 south on the verification password interface. The screen goes out, and the shutdown is completed. Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector Channel Settings. Click on the channel settings to enter. In the function list, you can choose channels 1 to 8. Function 2. You can choose to close or open the channel. Function 3. You can choose the type of gas. Function 4. You can choose the accuracy. Function 5. You can choose the gas measurement unit. Function 6. Can adjust the range size. Function 7. The minimum alarm value can be adjusted. Function 8. Can adjust the maximum alarm value. Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector System Setup. Click System Settings to enter. Click on the device number to set the device number. Click Sound Settings to set the alarm sound. Click Sound Settings to set the alarm sound. Click Brightness Settings to adjust the screen brightness. Click Time Interval to set the long pass time interval. Click Record Time to set the history interval. Click Language Settings. You can set English or Chinese. After the setting is completed, click Save and return to the System menu. Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector. Time set. Select time settings to enter. The interface can set the year, month, day, hour, and second. Select the time you need to be set, and you can swipe to set the time. Setup is complete. Click Save and return to the System menu. Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector Alarm Recording. Select Alarm Record to enter. Click the left or right button to turn the page and record. Click the Menu button to return to the System menu. Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector 0 Settings. Select 0 setting to enter. Enter the initial password for 1 south on the password verification interface. After the input is completed, click OK to enter the 0 setting interface. Click left or right to select the gas channel. When the current 0 value tends to stabilize, click Save. After the setting is completed, click the Menu button to return to the System menu. Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector. Return to Factory. Select Factory Reset. Enter for 1 south in the verification password interface. After the input is completed, click OK to complete the factory recovery and return to the System menu. Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector Historical Accounting. Select History to enter. You can choose the gas channel in the upper left corner. Click left or right to turn the page and record. Click the Menu button to return to the System menu. Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector Gas Real-Time Curve. At the gas detection interface, click the left or right button to select the gas channel Gas Real-Time Curve. Click the Menu button to return to the gas detection interface. Operation Guide of Multifunctional Gas Detector Hurry Call. At the gas detection interface, Long press the help button to send an emergency call signal. Click cancel of the emergency call pop-up window to close the emergency call.